Okay, so we're replacing the engine on a Ventex NFC demo. We're going to do it on the unit that has no display. So there's another unit that'll have a display. We're going to leave that entirely alone, and we're just working on this one. We're going to need a 3/32 inch Allen wrench and a Phillips head screwdriver, along with the replacement engine. So first we need to get to the back. There's a set screw on the lower portion of the case. We need the 3/32 inch Allen wrench to remove that. Or actually, we're not going to remove it. We're going to screw it into this portion of the case. So you'll take that and you'll just screw it in until you feel it stop. And then you'll pop the case out. So you'll just grab this and pull on the rear portion of the case to separate it, and set that aside. So here we have five Phillips head screws. So these three connect to the plastic case, and then these two connect to the engine on these two holes. So we'll back all 5 of these out, and if you don't have all these, that's fine. We'll just take out any that are there. Take out the 2 smaller screws that go to the engine. Okay, at this point we need to be cautious because there's a flexible circuit board that the antenna is connected to. So we don't want to touch the portion of the circuit board that has the switch on it. We'll go down to this lower portion and we'll tilt it up so that we don't pull the antenna free. So this will peel up, and this is glued down and needs to stay connected to the case. So all this needs to be done right here. We have a little bit of play, but we can't go too far. So this is on a connector. You're just going to remove this old engine, set it aside, and then you're going to take the new sensor circuit board and you're going to connect it. Some care needs to be taken to make sure that the pins align with the connector. It's possible to get these misaligned, but if that happens, the holes for the screws here and here won't be visible. So you'll know that you just need to come back here and reconnect the sensor. So at this point, we've replaced the sensor with the old sensor with the new sensor. We're going to take that. We're going to be careful not to pull on this cable that goes to the main board, and we'll just tilt it back down. It might take some adjustment to get the cable out the side here through this notch, and you need to make sure that the flexible circuit board isn't visible at the top screw. So from there, you should be able to see the 2 holes to connect the sensor to the main circuit board. You'll reattach those screws. And then you'll reconnect these 3 other screws, the larger. These are easy to strip, so make sure you don't use too much tension. Should just be snug. Okay. And then from here, we'll reconnect the case. So there's a set of indents that go into the notches on the upper portion of it. You'll seat those into there. And then these should slide down on the interior of the case. Until it snaps. And you'll take the set screw with the Allen wrench and back it out, so you'll go backwards to secure it into the case again. At that point, you can secure the unit and you're finished.